Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to auto-scroll on Instagram Reels for iPhone updated guide. For us to be able to begin, open Instagram app onto your device and head onto the Reels section. So if you're tired of constantly swiping onto that, so there is actually no straightforward process yet on auto-scrolling in here. What we could do is we could use the voice control or voice command that is available onto your phone so that we could automatically scroll this when you say swipe up. So for us to be able to open that, head onto the settings of your device and search for accessibility for that. Scroll down until you find in voice control and you'll just need to toggle that on. So once you have turned that one on, you should be able to see a blue icon here onto your Reels page or that specific icon. So that is the voice control icon, and if you say swipe up, it should go ahead and swipe up your Instagram reel. For example, swipe up. So as you can see, there is a command that says swipe up onto the upper part. It will automatically swipe up your videos. So as of the moment, this is still the only option that you could do so that you could avoid scrolling it using your fingers. And that is how easy you could do auto scroll on Instagram Reels for iPhone. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.